Hey guys, just wanted to show you these quick disconnect dry brake fittings I'm going to be using for my fuel system. These things are really nice. It's all anodized and stainless steel and aluminum. They're very nice. You can see the dry brake and its function here. It's pretty slick actually, the way they did this. You can't just push them together, they don't work like that. So you push it, pull on the collar, and then it snaps in positively. There's no wiggle whatsoever. It's very solid. It feels like a solid fitting actually. There is literally no give in these. It's perfect match. There's no machining tolerance that I've seen like this in another fitting actually. Check this out. So when you want to, like for example, I'm going to use one of these in my I don't have the exact fitting, but I'm going to use one for my fuel pressure regulator to go down to my flex fuel sensor. And what this will do, we'll mount it on the bottom on the outlet port of the flex fuel of the fuel pressure regulator, and this will be they've got another fitting that's hose end, and then they've got a fitting that's -6 for my particular one. They've got -8 as well if you need that. So you know, you have the one end that goes in, and then you have the hose that goes in. Actually, it would be this way, and it just pops out. And there's no fuel leakage whatsoever, no fluid leaks. You can see the ball bearings there. Stainless steel, very high quality stainless steel. The lock rings are all anodized. Everything is anodized. These are the alcohol fittings. I accidentally got the wrong ones, so I'm sending these back. I'm getting the E85 specific to gasoline and E85 fittings. And those, man, that's such a tight fit. That's beautiful. Those are already on the way. They'll be here shortly. Well, I hope you guys like that. These flow, by the way, if you're thinking about flow restriction, each one of these -6 fittings at 40 psi flows 900 liters per hour. This flows 900 liters per hour at 40 psi. At 60 psi, it flows 1,100 liters per hour. No flow restriction, in other words. That's on -6 fittings and line with 3 feet of hose on either end, according to the rating sheet.